All right, so I got all the specialty shots that I need, so I'm pretty much done inside the house. So what I'm gonna do now is get the drone, get that up in the air, and get the shots that I need of the front of the house, the back of the house that has the pool, it has the dock, and then also go up pretty high so that we can show the proximity to boat slips, to the beaches, to kind of the area. So later in post, we can add a couple arrows just to point out a couple things in the video, so people have a really good idea where this house is and where how close it's located to different things in the area. So first of all, before let me tell you a couple things about the drone. This one I'm using just the DJI Mavic Air. It's pretty bright outside today, so I'm gonna have to put the 64 ND filter on to the drone so that I can have my shutter speed at 1/60th and shoot at 30 frames per second. And I'm not gonna have anything blown out, or very little blown out, because it's so bright. A lot of times the white sand beach here and on the Gulf side gets blown out just a hair. There's not a whole lot you can do about that. I only go up to a 64 ND filter, so we'll have to work with that in post. But that is the next step, and I should be able to screen record me flying the drone, so you can see everything that I'm doing, and I'll kind of talk through how what I'm thinking about as far as the shots I need to get for flying the drone over this property. So let's go out there, get the drone up in the air, and we'll go from there. So let's go into video mode, and we're going into our settings. So let's start at 1/60th. Now I can already tell that's going to be overexposed. This stuff's going to be overexposed. So let's go down to 1/20th, and we're just going to double that on manual. So that's good. We're shooting at 4K at 30 frames a second. And the reason why we're doing 30 frames is because we want to get the most amount of motion. Shooting in 24, especially because the drone's gonna be flying so fast at some points, I don't want it to look choppy. So the Mavic Air shoots highest in 4K at 30 frames. So we're gonna do 30 frames a second, even though when we go to edit it, we're gonna put it in a 24 frame timeline. So that's what we do there. I just want to get a nice steady shot that go up a little bit. A nice steady shot back far that's just pushing into the house. Towards the front door. All right, that's good. So now let's go over. I'm gonna try and center it a little bit. Bring it down, and we're just gonna go straight up. Okay, you can see the floor. All right, let's go up. All right, going up all the way. And that's a good shot because now we can see, okay, it's close to the beach, it's close to this bay right here. So that's a good shot. All right, let's bring it back, and we're gonna get a wider shot. Tilt the camera down and get a wider shot coming up on this house right here. Okay, now there's a red dumpster, so right there you can see in the corner. So we're probably gonna start. Let's go over just a tad bit. Yeah, and just move forward. We'll probably, in post, we're probably gonna cut it right after that dumpster disappears. But right there, that's a good shot. Right up over the top. That's good. We're gonna see the bay. Cool. All right. I think for the front, that's probably about all we need to get. I may just get another wide shot that's just kind of like rotating around this area. So like, let's try this. Just so that we can kind of see like where it's located. You can see down the river a little bit. And let's go the other direction. Just so we have it. Okay. keep that in focus. There we go. Rotate around it and see that. That's good. I don't want to show too much of that dumpster. All right, so let's head over to get some shots of the back pool. Now they're still doing some construction, so we're kind of gonna get some close-up shots of the back of the porch. All right, so let's bring this down. So that's good right there. I'm gonna hide in these bushes. Actually, I'm just gonna go underneath so you can't see me. Right, we're gonna bring it down and push in a little bit. All right, now let's do a shot right here, kind of centered on this, and we're just gonna pull out nice and easy, up and over. There you go, that looks good. I'll probably speed ramp this at some point, but let's just get a nice and easy shot back out over the bay. Cool. All right, let's go back in. And we're just gonna rotate around and get some of those, focus on, you know, the beat that, you know, you get the beach. So we're just gonna rotate around a little bit. We've got that direction, let's go back the other direction. And what I might do is rotate in, as I'm rotating, push in a little bit. Let's see how that goes. All right, and let's just push in a little bit more. Make sure we get the pool right here. Push in. Cool. All right, I like it. Let's go back out. We're just gonna get a wide shot, just to show how it connects to the rest of the inlets and such. So we're pulling out, we're rotating out. You can see, oh, that looks really nice. There we go. Cool. Let's do that again. Gosh, going the other way, just so we have it. Go the other side. I'm just going to record here while I'm rotating around, just so I have it. I may need to put a pin on the house just so people can pick it out and they know which one they're looking at. That always helps. All right, because they're doing construction, the agent said, hey, you know, if you just want to get some wide shots, you know, of the back of the house, just because I don't want to show so much of the construction going on. They didn't finish building the deck in time, so we're gonna get some of those just to show, hey, this is where you know, you have access to. If we need to point out some stuff in post in that shot, we can. That looks great. I think we got what we need. But let's push in a little bit more. We might just get one more pass at the back in the pool area. Yeah, let's try that. Cool. All right, I think we got what we need, so let's just park this, bring it up, put it down right where we right where we landed it, right where we took off.
Landing.
All right, not bad. That's went pretty well. Hey guys, before you watch the final video, I wanted to let you know the other video that's coming up after the drone video will be actually the editing part, and putting it all together, coloring the S-Log3 footage on how I'm doing that. So I think it's definitely going to be worth it and have a lot of great info in there to help you get started or help you get better with your video tours. So anyway, enjoy the final version, and I will see you in the next video.
Hi, I'm Lance Neal with the Neal Group. Welcome to 26314 Cotton Bayou Drive in Orange Beach, Alabama. This beautifully updated home is perfectly situated on Cotton Bayou and offers expansive water views. Upon entering the kitchen, you are welcomed by a wall of glass immersing you in an abundance of natural light. The spacious waterfront living area and open floor plan are ideal for entertaining family and friends. This stunning duplex unit features a fully remodeled kitchen equipped with white shaker cabinets, tile backsplash, light-colored quartz countertops, raised bar with seating for 4, under cabinet lighting, over cabinet lighting, ice maker, and stainless steel appliances. The spacious master suite offers a private balcony overlooking Cotton Bayou, sitting area, walk-in closet, and a breathtaking bathroom outfitted with quartz countertops, double vanity, tile plank flooring, a large walk-in marble shower, separate tub, and a private water closet. The home features ensuite configurations in all bedrooms, luxury vinyl plank floors on the main level, high ceilings with crown molding, large baseboards, 8-foot doors, recessed lighting, custom drapes in all bedrooms, wall-mounted televisions in every bedroom, plantation shutters in the living and dining areas, freshly painted interior and exterior walls, 2 large covered balconies, an exterior storage closet, shared pool, a deeded boat slip, and a private white sand beach offering easy water access. Recent renovations include a new metal roof, heating and air systems, hardy board exterior, new wood decking, flooring, interior stair rails, new pier, shaker cabinet fronts, and a louvered privacy wall in the carport. This turnkey home is being offered mostly furnished and is conveniently located less than 1 mile to the beaches and less than 1.5 miles to Perdido Pass. If you are interested in this home and would like more information, please contact the Neal Group or visit our website at thenealgroup.com.